Uh-oh.
It's a disaster! There's almost no time left.
My dress is black! I can't show up there wearing this!
Ladies, wait! Don't panic! Let us take your measurements. Ouch! Watch out! Slimes can get hurt too! What's wrong with these girls? Why are they like this?
Please calm down. There's more than enough time.
I need a close-up. Come on. Zoom in. Sound up. We'll see if you can finish in time.
Boss, when you laugh like that, it kind of scares us.
Don't worry, we've got it under control. Ready to see your perfect dresses?
Are these our dresses? Well, they're nice, but they're pretty plain, don't you think?
What should we do now?
It's just the beginning. We'll color your dresses and decorate them.
Let's help them decorate the dresses.
I think it's hopeless. This dress is so pale, so boring. I can't wear it.
That's true! It doesn't sparkle, and it doesn't shine! Why are you so sad, girls? Didn't you hear what our dear Sue said?
It won't even take long. Your dresses will be so pretty.
Aha! Ready? Let's do it.
Yeah! It's exactly what we talked about.
Oh no! What's happened? Look at our dress! Who did it? It's a disaster! We'll start over and make it even better. Look at this! It turns out even better than I expected. Now it's coloring time! We'll start with pink. I know Sammy will love this dress. Can you guess why, guys? I'll give you a few moments to think. Yes, because it's pink. Good job. You're very smart. So, what do you think, friends? Is this dress pretty?
I knew Sue would figure out how to fix this. What do we do now?
Told ya! No need to worry. Sue can solve any problem.
Yeah, she's a genius. But the dress doesn't shine.
Huh, that's true. Give me a moment. I have an idea. Ta-da! I'm back! I promise the dress will sparkle. I'll put it here.
Whoa, look at all that glitter! How about we play with it a little?
Sammy, girls, look, I finished the dress.
Aha!
Ladies, close your eyes. The glow is too bright. Ah! Shiver me cheddars. My precious gems are gone. No, I left them right here. Where did they go?
You sure you hid them well?
Of course! You'll never find them!
What do we do now? Don't panic. Detective Sam will find the gems. Huh. Where is this trail going to lead us? I smell something fishy. What's going on? The gems aren't here. My detective skills have never let me down before. I feel like I'm so close to the answer.
Sammy, sorry to interrupt, but aren't those the gems we're looking for?
Are you serious? Who hides gems like that? I need a new plan.
Awesome.
One more case cracked. I'm a really great detective.
Sammy, great job. Now we have all the colors we need, and even more. And we can finally decorate the dress. Glitter first. The more glitter, the more beautiful. Sam says so. The dress is sparkling, but let's speed up. Ta-da! How about some flowers? It's like a flower fairy's dress. And one more. Wow! Amazing! The dress is ready! I bet one of our girls can't wait to try it on.
Woohoo! Great news! Ladies, who's first?
It's me.
Then get ready for a magical makeover!
Stunning!
I really like this outfit. I feel so pretty, like a princess.
Wow, you look great!
But how about my dress? I want to look pretty too.
Don't worry, Sue's working on it. Yay! She probably just needs more time to pick the color.
Oh, I think I know the perfect color for you.
Nothing better after work than a piece of cake.
Guys, are you on the mission?
Yes, something important came up.
Great! New plan. Drop everything and grab the markers.
Got it, on our way.
Well, if that doesn't work, we'll have to use plan B.
Blue is the color I picked for the second dress. Let's draw the outline first. Then we'll color it. When we finish with the dress, you'll need to tell me which one you like more, okay, friends?
If you ask me, no dress is prettier than the pink one.
Sammy, could you bring me some markers, please?
I'll be right back.
Ouch!
Watch out!
We must.
Get the markers! Here they are!
Heh.
I'm sure I left them here. Or was it somewhere else? Markers? They aren't here either? Weird. I can't even imagine where they are. Sue, I can't find the markers!
I definitely remember buying a new set, but it's okay. Let's do this instead. Hocus pocus!
Something doesn't add up. The markers couldn't just disappear into thin air. Oh, hey! Have you seen anyone suspicious here?
Nope. Oh, wait! I saw two little green friends of yours.
Ah! Two little friends? Who are you calling little?
Quiet! Quiet!
The markers I couldn't find. What a tricky case. A real mystery. Sue, we're saved! I found your markers! Let's finish the dress! Whoa.
I'm done here.
What an awesome dress!
We just need to decorate it, and that's all. I'll add some blue glitter first. If we miss a spot, it won't sparkle as it should.
Sue, can you put some gems on my dress too?
Sure. How about this? Do you like it?
Yes, and some blue flowers.
Amazing choice. They'll look great on your blue dress.
I'll figure out who's trying to spoil our dresses. Wait, this place looks suspicious. It's a great hiding spot. What if someone used it to watch us? Love my new dress. Can I already try it on, please? We'll watch this place. And if they come back... Stop! You won't get away! Now tell me who you are and what you're doing here.
Sorry, Sam. We were just helping Mandy.
What are you talking about? I don't know any Mandy.
Ta-da! What do you think of our blue princess? Girls, you both look gorgeous.
Yay! Yes, ladies, you're super duper pretty. Now, tell me, who's this Mandy? Do you know her?
Mandy. This name sounds very familiar. Wait, it's...
Well, of course! You forgot who Mandy is! Is this really how you treat your friends?
Hey, come on, Mandy, don't get upset. How could we forget about you?
I'm not so sure. We used to have so much fun together. And then you put me in a box and left me in a dark, scary attic.
We're so sorry you felt like we forgot about you. We should always remember our friends.
Today, in our, dare I say, sparkling grand finale, we have two contestants. Stella Frost. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of blue. It's only the beginning. Welcome, our second contestant.
Pink! Pink is the best color ever!
Just look at these beautiful dresses. I think you both deserve first place. You're both champions.
Haha, great! Friends, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up!